Seeing constant adult content warnings on X and not sure why? In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, right inside the X settings. First, open X on your desktop or mobile browser and log into your account if you aren't already. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top left sidebar to open the main menu. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open the same menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your content and safety options live. Now let's adjust the content controls that trigger the adult content warning. Inside Settings, click or tap Privacy and Safety, then choose Content You See. Here you'll find options that control sensitive or adult content. On desktop, look for Display Media that may contain sensitive content. If you're okay seeing this media, turn this option on so X doesn't blur or hide it with a warning screen. If you don't want to see adult content at all, turn this option off so sensitive media stays hidden or blurred. If you post adult or sensitive media, also check Mark Your Media as containing material that may be sensitive in your profile safety settings, so viewers get accurate warnings. That's it. You've fixed your adult content warning on X. Adjust these settings anytime for the viewing experience you want.